Alright, I'm now going to Kormangla Club to meet up with the boys. This is genuinely the last time that you're going to be seeing Kavin, so please, sad reacts only. Kormangla Club, by the way, I've been there in 2022. I didn't like the place much, but Hari says that it's a new place now. They've completely changed things around, so let's go see what it's like. It's a 1 hour drive, bro, so let's get on with it. I'm starting at 7:45. Let's see when I reach. I also need to pick up Nishok. I believe he's near Singanapala metro station waiting for me, so let's go pick him up. Where is Nishok, man? He was supposed to be here at Udupi Cafe. There he comes, Bobbies.
Hey, what the fuck is up? Finally, we're wearing something different.
Yeah, we are.
Wearing shoes, or
Bro, you didn't wear shoes.
obviously I did, bro.
So the thing is, Kormangla Club has a dress code. Just like any other club in Bangalore, you need to wear a collared top and you need to cover your toes.
Yeah, surprisingly, Mohit didn't wear his Birkenstock today, bro.
Yeah, I always wear Birks, but today I'm wearing my New Balances. Chalo, let's go. We need to beat Google Maps, bro. Google Maps says it'll take me 60 minutes. Let's see if we can get there in 50.
Fuck, bro, Mohit, your haircut looks damn sexy, bro.
Bro, I went to my barber, told him, make sure I look like a bouncer.
Oh,
Yeah, and he gave me this haircut.
looks cute, bro. Mohit,
Nice.
you look kind of cute today.
I look cute, huh? Only today. Bro, I shaved my beard so that you can kiss me. Every time you complain, know that whenever you kiss me, it pokes you. Now it's gonna be clean, bro.
Fuck, they're gonna make me a certified baddie in the fucking comments. now.
Nishok is a certified baddie. Nishok, bro, guys, did you know Nishok belongs to the BJP? Baddie Janata Party.
Okay, so vlog, what the fuck does certified baddie mean? What did I
Yeah,
do?
why did you guys think Nishok is a baddie?
What did I even do? I didn't even do anything. Is it because like I was making like such jokes all the time?
Is that why you guys thought Nishok is a baddie? Would you rather buy an Audi or a BMW?
BM. My dream car is M4 competition.
M4 competition is your dream
Yeah,
car?
yeah, dream car.
Okay.
That's like an insane car. No?
How much is an M4, M5? How much is that?
It's like probably like 2 crores.
2 CR, huh?
Like 1 to 2 CR for sure. Like
Yeah.
I wanna like keep the goal a little achievable.
I would say an achievable car would be under 60-70 lakhs, bro.
You gotta aim high, bro.
Okay, aim high, bro.
Yeah.
Aim high. Bro, lately I'm obsessed with the Toyota Camry. But then again, 60 lakhs for that car, nobody wants to put.
Oh, you can get a fucking second hand M4, bro.
Second hand is a great
You
option.
can get even a like. Okay, I'd say even a third hand, bro. M4 is M4, right? So even a third hand would be like fucking amazing.
We'll see, guys. When we have the money, we'll see first
Yeah.
hand, second hand, third hand.
अभी के लिए Renault could. Oh,
Abhi ke liye Renault quit chalega. Alright, Bobbies, we've reached the Kormangla Club, but Hari is not here and we cannot enter without him. So we called Hari and asked him, what the fuck do we do without you? And man said, go do some sightseeing. So guys, we were doing some sightseeing in the bylanes of Kormangla and I found a Toyota Camry. Man, I absolutely love this car, man.
you said 60, right?
This one,
Wait, someone is there.
someone is inside, yeah. This is a 60 lakh car. Bro, I absolutely love it. In a better color, it's sexy.
What color? Like maroon?
No, not maroon, bro. I saw a blue, okay, a darkish blue, almost black. Bro, I can't even tell you how good. Like your Octavia only, bro.
Yeah, guys, I have an Octavia.
Nishok's dad's dream car was an Octavia. He recently got it. And man's put like full heavy sound system and all in it. The amount of money Nishok's dad has spent on modifying that car, you can legit buy another car for that. Bro, you should get it sometime, bro. Octavia, guys, it's fucking amazing. Bro, you know what I would do?
What?
I would just go to Kanti Sweets,
Stop it.
eat one chum chum.
No, no, no.
Come, bro.
No. So many cals. No way, bro.
He's saying too many cals. How can you say no to chum chum?
Guys, before I was the one who'd say, bro, come to Kanti Sweets, and he'd be like, no. And now he's like, bro, let's go to Kanti Sweets, and I'm like, no.
Okay, in that case, if you want something low calorie, then Momo is the only thing.
Yeah,
I know one Momo spot here. I don't know if he's still there, but the last time I tried, he was decent. Not as good as Samsung Momos, definitely, but if Samsung Momos is the 10, this guy is the 8. So not bad. We can eat. I found the Momo guy, Bobbies. We had to walk a solid 15 minutes for this. The Momo guy is no longer a guy, it's a girl now. So I don't know what to feel about that. Didi, ek chicken Momo, please. How is it? He's not saying anything, man.
I'm not blaming. It's good. It is good.
It is good. Quite nice.
Insane.
Bro, these are places I have eaten years ago. back when I used to talk to a girl in Kormangla long ago, from 4 years back.
160 kg Mohit is coming to use, guys.
Look who's here, Bobbies. The one and only. The king. Hari.
What's up?
What's up, bro? Nice bike. You wanted to eat momos? These are decent.
Oh, I'm ready for a feast there, bro.
At the club?
At the club.
Okay, let's go. Alright, Bobbies. We've entered the Kormangla Club. Hari is inside. He's trying to sort us a table. This is the reception here at Kormangla Club. Here is where we are seated. Kormangla Club special seating for the boys. We're watching WPL. Not like I give a fuck, but yeah, we're still watching WPL. So we're waiting for Kavin to come. He's gonna come sit here, and this is the last time you'll be seeing him for many months. Alright, Bobbies, the chicken tikka is here. Hari says, taste it. If it's not nice,
Send it back.
send it back. Let's see. No complaints, Hari. No complaints.
Then we'll proceed.
Let's try the lemon chicken, which Hari is a fan of. Damn, Hari.
If it's not good, send it back.
Hari says, if it's not good, send it back. Oh. Oh, Hari.
Was it good?
Top.
Yeah, stop. Stop.
You know what happened? Someone came to me in Jayanagar. Are you Kavin? I'm like, yeah. I watched you on Mohit's vlog. I'm like, oh, crazy, bro. Deekshit, shout out, bro. Deekshit.
Kavin is here, Bobbies. And shout out Deekshit.
Guys, special color, Zudio, 600 rupees.
What are you saying?
Yeah,
That's
crazy.
so low.
Zudio is very cheap, bro.
Oh, by the way, this food also mad cheap and tasty. Yeah.
It's good, huh?
Good. So far, very good.
What is this, bro? Dosa.
This is fish.
Oh.
Steamed fish. Can you please do a big reveal for us? Oh, damn, bro. Let's try the steamed fish.
Chop.
Bro. Bro, Hari.
Hey, which fish, huh?
Sure.
Sea fish, huh? Bro, it's really good.
Very tasty, bro.
I don't usually eat fish outside of Goa, but this one's really good. Boxer Bobby Adit is here. Bro, guess what? They gave you a tag name.
What? Boxer Bobby.
Arnd Killer Adit.
And killer.
You know what Arnd means?
Fuck's an arse.
Arnd is... You went to Sonipat for college and you don't know what Arnd means.
Bro, I sound like some pedo.
You have that pedo stash also, bro. Alright, what are you in the mood for?
What's good, bro?
Tandoori items are good. Our main course is here, Bobbies. I have a chicken ghee roast, but why does it look like there's bones in it, bro?
What is boneless?
Bro,
You didn't say boneless.
I forgot to say boneless. This is prawns, right?
ಸರ್ 3 ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ದೋಸೆ ಇದೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು
Sari, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. Thanks, Dari. Chicken ghee roast, which I forgot to say boneless. Nishok is saying 4 plates needles is too much, bro. It's
game today.
yeah, Nishok, what happened to you, bro? This is like nothing. This is like
He started crashing out for that.
it's like tissue paper, da. 4 plate needles is nothing.
Oh, shit.
Bro, ghee roast quite nice, bro. Bobbies, some fuckery has just happened. I ate that sear fish. It's not sitting well with me. Turns out I'm allergic to sear fish as well. It's swelling up here. I'm feeling something here. This is exactly what I feel when I eat prawns. But fortunately, I didn't eat too much of the sear fish, so I won't die. My friends here are concerned that I'm not talking. They are shocked that why am I sitting quiet? It's because I'm feeling a little off.
Are you okay, bro?
Am I okay? My name's Oki Mohit, bro. We're now going to Milano to grab ice cream. The boys are lagging behind. This is what happens when you walk at Hari's pace. That's the trippiest name for a chemist shop. Bengaluru Drug House.
Oh, y'all have never seen this?
No, first time. That's trippy as fuck. Adit, your house only, huh? Bring your long hair back, then you can go sit there. And they wanted also, bro. Wanted pharmacists. First time trying out Milano Kormangla. This is not just Milano ice cream. This is Milano Pizza Cafe. So you can get food as well. Ooh, there's a Vespa here. Nice. Hey, Kavan is the lightest or you are the lightest now?
He's the light.
You are the lightest. Fucking victim weight.
Yeah, in this news, fucking
Kormangla, Milano. We're going for Belgian dark chocolate and hazelnut. Bro, you wanna try these pebbles?
Sugar free.
You wanna try these pebbles? 10 pieces, 150. But that's too many pieces. I want only one.
I want like half a piece, bro.
Sit here. Or we'll have a round table conference, guys. We'll have a round table conference, bro. One last. What did you just say? No backrest. Fucking 23-year-old you are. Round table conference with Kavan one last time.
At airport, Kavin says, no, I'm coming back.
Flight cancelled.
Bro, he's delayed his flight 4 times. What can I
I
say?
didn't delay my flight. I changed my date. Indigo flexi.
Alright, bro. Time to cut.
I told you.
See you, Adit. See you, da, Hari. Thanks for the club treat, bro. How much did you end up paying in total?
Okay. And we ate like
We ate a lot.
dog.
Yeah. Bobbies, we're now driving home. I'm gonna go drop Kavin off and then I'll drop Nishok. We are on Old Airport Road and I'm ripping my car. How much ever I can rip this quid, I'm ripping it. Might as well full send it, right? What's the fastest a quid has ever gone, bro?
I don't want to know, bro.
Alright, Bobbies, say bye to Kavin. When are we seeing you next?
April, hopefully.
Hopefully April. Okay, bro, see you.
See you.
Okay, that was decent. I'll take it.
I'll take it.
Bye, Bhavin. See you tomorrow.
Bye bye.
Bye.
What? See you tomorrow, da?
Come gym
Yeah.
morning.
Oh, you're meeting him in the morning?
You are coming, no?
I can't come in the morning and all. I have work. Chalo, see you guys. Bye bye.
Bye.